My name is Robert Washira from CultivaPro, where agronomy meets technology. At CultivaPro, we have agronomists on the ground, we have engineers on the ground, where now we can use the machine as a tool, but agronomy as the science behind the use of drones in crop protection to help in both efficacy of the product and water use efficiency, where there is a saving of water of up to 60-80% during spraying. The other thing that we're trying to do is to be sustainable, to be more safe, because there is very little interaction between the person spraying and the drone. So it's more safer when you're spraying pesticides. It's also very efficient in the way it does its job, because we do it faster. We do like 3 hectares in a short 10 minutes, saving the farmer time, saving the farmer the cost of the water, and also making sure that the product lands where it is supposed to land, vis-a-vis just wastage of pesticides. We are hoping to join you in your farm next time.